Canada expands post-graduation work permit. Eligibility for international students. Here's something interesting to discuss. The new era for international graduates in Canada. In a groundbreaking move, Canada has broadened the scope of its post-graduation work permit program, offering fresh opportunities for international students. This expansion aligns educational pathways with the nation's evolving labor market needs, signaling a significant shift in immigration policy. Now, we shall address the key updates to PGWP eligibility. As of December 17, 2024, IRCC has added new fields of study to the PGWP eligible list. Notably, programs in early childhood education and developmental services are now included, addressing critical labor shortages in these sectors. Specific programs such as Montessori teacher education, child development, and childcare provider training have been incorporated, reflecting the government's commitment to supporting essential services. This policy adjustment follows earlier changes implemented on November 1, 2024, which introduced field of study requirements for PGWP eligibility. Initially, 966 programs across agriculture, healthcare, STEM, trades, and transportation were deemed eligible. The recent inclusion of education-related fields underscores a responsive approach to dynamic labor market demands. That brings us to our next point: implications for international students. These developments present enhanced prospects for international students aiming to transition into Canada's workforce. By aligning educational programs with areas experiencing labor shortages, graduates are better positioned to secure employment and contribute meaningfully to the economy. This strategic alignment not only benefits students, but also addresses pressing workforce gaps, particularly in early childhood education. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the conclusion of today's video update. Canada's expansion of PGWP eligible fields signifies a thoughtful recalibration of immigration and education policies to meet societal needs. International students should stay informed about these changes to maximize their opportunities within Canada's evolving landscape. Prospective applicants are encouraged to consult official IRCC resources and seek guidance to navigate these updates effectively. That's all for now, folks. Stay on top of immigration updates by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you soon.